Outside. Circle.
Hi, Kevin. Good evening.
Hello there.
Hello. How are you today?
I'm good.
Wow, that's very good. Did you already eat your dinner?
Note.
Still no. Oh, okay. So you will eat after the class?
Uh,
Will you eat after the class?
is
Oh, okay. That's so good. So now are you ready to continue our lesson for today?
yeah.
Okay. So last time, so we talked about our or my hobbies. So again, Kevin, so just to review or just to recall about the things that we learned last time. So when we say hobbies, so these are the things that we do in our free time. So these are the things that we enjoy doing. Like, let's review all of the hobbies that we learn. Again, what is this? If you still remember, what's this?
Doing sport.
Very good. Doing
Doing sp-
sports. Next.
Drawing and painting a picture.
Very
painting and drawing
good.
pictures.
Next.
The playing guitar of
Or what do we call this instrument?
the playing piano of guitar.
Okay, very good. This third one is playing piano or
Playing the piano or guitar.
guitar. Next.
Playing the piano.
How about the next one?
Flying a kite.
Very good. Flying a kite.
Flying a
Next.
Singing a song.
Singing a song or singing songs. Very good.
singing songs.
Next.
Making cake.
Very good. Making
Making
cakes.
cake.
Next.
Listening to music.
Listening to music. Very good.
Listening.
Next.
Um,
Hmm. So what are they doing in this one? So
reading my story.
very good. Reading my story or reading
Reading
stories.
stories.
Very good. Good job. Next. What is the boy and dad doing?
Fishing with my dad.
Very good. Fishing with my dad or
Fishing with dad.
fishing with dad. Next.
Mm, uh,
Hmm. Let's take
playing,
let's take a look.
jumping,
Yes, very
jumping, and running the park.
very good.
In park.
Run in the park. Very good. So
Running and
jumping
jumping in the
or
park.
running and jumping in the park. Next. The last hobby that we have.
Mm,
Hmm. What are they doing?
swimming in the sea.
Very good. Swimming in the sea. So that will be
Swimming in the sea.
our last hobby. So, and also last time, we also learned about our sentence structure here. So let me just open this one. So in this one, so again, so if we have the question, what's your hobby? So we usually answer it with the subject I. I like
I like
play.
playing computer games.
Very good. And if our question is this one, what's her hobby? So here we are talking about a girl. So what shall we use, Kevin? Shall we use she or he? Hmm? What shall we use? He
Is
or she? She, very good. And what is she doing in this picture? Oh, wait, let me go back.
She
She,
like photos.
okay, okay,
Taking
she,
photo.
okay, very good. She likes taking photos or she likes photography. So both are correct. And also, if our subject is he or she, so usually we add a letter S. We add letter S in our action word. Like for example, so our action word here or verb is like. So we usually add it. Like for example, she likes photography. He likes photography. But for example,
She like photography.
Okay, one more time. Let's say photography. For
Photography.
very good. One more time. Photography.
Photography.
Okay, very good. And for this one, so as we can see, so the like word, it has letter S. However, if we use the I, so we just use the original word, which is like. So, for example, I like playing computer games. But if our subject is a boy, so we will use he and we will say he likes. Okay?
He likes.
Yes. And if our question is about you or your, so we will say I like. Okay, so now let's try in our other questions. So we have here, let's read the question. What's his hobby?
What his hobby?
Mm, Okay, one more time.
He
Let's see.
is
Mhm.
he he
He,
must
he,
he
he
like
likes. He likes. What do you think is he doing? Is he swimming?
uh no
No, no, very good. What is this sport? We call it as
so
surfing.
shopping.
Okay, so now how do we answer this question? What's his hobby?
He
He likes.
likes shopping.
Okay, one more time. Not surfing. It's surfing.
Shopping.
Yes, very good. So just remove the letter H because we don't have letter H in the word surfing. So again, let's say surfing.
Shopping.
Okay, again, don't add the letter A's. Surfing,
Shopping.
not surfing. Surfing.
Shopping.
Okay, one more time. Let's say it slowly. Let's say sir. Sir.
So
Very good. Fing.
he likes shopping.
Okay, one more time. Let's say it slowly. Don't say it faster so that you can say the word correctly, not surfing. Surfing. Surfing.
So
Okay, not sure. Don't add the letter H. S- yes, very good. Surfing. Not.
shopping.
Okay, one more time. Sir. Not sure. Sir. Sa.
Shopping.
Sir. Very,
Shopping.
very good. Good job. Again, what is his hobby? He likes.
Shopping.
Again, sir. Again.
Shopping.
Yes, very good. Sir.
Shopping.
Very good. Nice. So again, so if we see the question he's, so for this one, we are talking about a boy. So the subject that we will use is he. But if we see her in the question, what's her hobby? So we will use she to answer the question. Like for example, this one, the question is, what's his? So meaning we're talking about a boy. So we will use he. And we will use likes with letter S. Then what is his hobby? And it is surfing. So again, so we say he likes surfing. So next, let's proceed into our next example. Okay, so our question here is, what's your hobby? So we are talking about your. What is the subject that we will use to answer, Kevin? Is it I, he,
I,
or
he, or
she?
she.
Yes,
I, he,
what
is
sh- what what
it
shall we
he.
use to answer this question? What's your hobby? Is it I, he, or she?
I, she,
Huh?
she.
She? Are you sure? She? So let's take a look at our question.
No,
What's
I.
your? Very good. So we will use I because the question here, so we have here, we talk about your, meaning it question or it asks about us. If the question is, what's her hobby? So that's the time that we will use she because as we can see, the subject is a girl. So we can say she. But since the question is your, so we will answer it by I. Now, how do we answer this question? So based on the hobby of the girl in the picture, what is she doing?
I
I like, I
like
like. Okay. Playing. Playing what kind of instrument? What's this one? Is it the piano or guitar?
guitar.
Very good. So again, what's your hobby? I.
I like guitar.
Very good. So that is how we answer the question, what's your hobby? So this one we can remove the playing the guitar. Both are correct. I like playing guitar or I like playing the guitar. So both sentences are correct. So very good. So next, let's proceed into our next number. Okay. So this question, what's his hobby? So our subject here in the question is his. Is it a he or is it a she?
He.
Very good. He. So what's his hobby based on the picture? He.
His likes
Hmm? His
reading.
likes? Okay, one more time. How do you start the answer? Is likes or he likes?
He likes.
Very good. He likes. What is the boy doing in the picture?
He likes reading
Very good. Reading.
my book.
Okay, shall we add my? Shall we add this one? Yes or no?
Reading book.
Very good. So we shouldn't add my because my it is this word talks about you. Our question is his, so it doesn't talk about you. So it talks about he. So we have here the subject. So we shall not add the my here. So we will just say he likes
He likes
reading
reading book.
books. Very good. So he likes reading books. But for example, the question is, what's your hobby? So you can say, I like reading
Fun.
my book or
Teacher,
my, yes,
may I go à?
Okay, sure. You take your time. You'll go to the bathroom. Okay, okay. Go, go, go.
Okay.
Okay, you're finished. Okay, so again, for example, the question is, so we will remove the subject his. So the question is, what's your hobby? So that's the time that we can use my because it talks about you. So we will say, I like reading my books. So it describes that you like reading your books. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, so perfect. So this is the answer. He likes reading books. So next, let's have another question. So what's her hobby?
Her,
Hmm?
her,
Shall we use her or she?
eat her.
Huh?
She.
Okay, very good. So for this one, so we will not her. We will not use her to answer the question. So it is like your guide to know if the subject is a girl or a boy. So usually we answer it by she or he or I, depends on the subject that is being asked in the question. So very good. So we will use she here. Now, what does or what is her hobby? What sport is this? Hmm.
Um, she like tennis.
She like
Like tennis. Like
very good. Very good. So she likes playing tennis. So don't forget the this one, playing tennis.
tennis.
Yeah. Yes, because if we just say tennis, so we are just talking about the sport itself. So we are not talking about the hobby. Because when we say hobby, it is the things or things that we do. So meaning, so it is how we play a sports. Okay, so don't forget playing if we are talking about sports. So she likes playing tennis. Okay, very good. Next, this one. Oh, we have another. So we have another subject here. So our question here is, what's their hobby? So earlier, so we have the subjects I. We also have he that we use for boys or this one. So I, if the question talks about your, he, if the question has the subject his, and she, if we have the subject her in the question. But on the other hand, we have here there. So when we say there, so the subject that we use here when answering the question is they. So we are talking about different people. We are talking about many people, but it doesn't talk about us. So we usually say or we usually answer they. So now, by looking at the picture, Kevin, so what is their hobby? They,
They
what are they doing in the picture? They,
like
mm,
like
play.
they like but
Uh,
they
Are
like
Are they playing?
no.
Okay, what are they doing? Based on the picture, are they singing?
They like dancing.
Okay, very good. So they like. dancing. So that is their hobby in this picture. And also, so to give you some guide on answering this question, Kevin, so if the subject in our sentence that we answer is I and they, so we use like without S. But if our subject is he and she, so we use likes. Like for example, in this sentence, they like dancing. But if the subject is, for example, the question is, what's her hobby? So meaning we will use she because we're talking about the girl. So we will say she likes dancing. Okay, so for this one, we will use like without S. Okay, but for he or she, we will use likes. Okay, so next, this one. Okay, so the next question is what's your hobby? So what subject shall we use in this one to answer? Is it I, he,
He
she, or they? Okay, we have
is like
hmm?
it's
It's are you sure it's they? We are talking about your
it
they.
I
Okay, very good. It's I. So remember, if we are talking about they, the question will be what's their? What's their hobby? So that is the time that we will answer the question they. But since we are talking about your, so it talks about you. So we will answer it by I. Like okay, let's take a look at the picture. What's your hobby based on this picture? So we can see here big sale. Where do we see sale? This hobby is what we call as shopping. Okay, and how do we, okay, very good. One more time. Shopping. Okay, how do we answer this question? What's your hobby?
shopping.
Shopping. How do we answer it in a sentence?
I like shopping.
Okay, very good. So I like shopping. So again, so since our subject is I, so we will not add letter S here. So I like shopping. How about if we rephrase the question? So what will be what will be the answer in this one? So we have here what's her? If the question is about what's her hobby? What subject shall we use? Shall we use I? What's her hobby? What subject shall we use, Kevin? Shall we still use I? If the question is what's her hobby?
She
There.
like
Only like? She like? Are you
she she
very
likes
good? Very
shopping.
good. Very good. So again, when we say or when we use he or she as our subject, like for this one, the subject is she. So usually we add letter S in the word like. So she likes shopping. How about if the subject is this one? What's their hobby? How do we answer this? What's their hobby? Shall we use she, I, he, or they?
There
They.
there they like shopping.
Very good. They like shopping. So we will use the like without an S. Very good. How about if the subject is, or if the question is, what's his hobby?
Um,
What shall we use? He, she, I, or they? What shall we
um,
use? He, she, I, or they? Okay, so let's take a look at this one. His. Are we talking about a girl here or a boy?
he's,
Hmm? What subject shall we use? Is it I, he, she, or they?
it, he,
She,
he,
he. Okay, very good. He is the subject that we'll use. And what shall we change in the word like?
like, likes,
Okay, very good. So we will add S. Don't forget, if the subject is he or she, so we will add letter S in the word like. So he likes shopping. Okay, very good.
shopping.
Okay, so let's have another example again, this one. So if our subject here is his, okay, what's his hobby? So how do we answer this? What's his? Is it a girl or are we talking about a girl or a boy? Are his?
He's,
Huh? His?
he's,
Huh? Shall we use his? His like dancing?
that,
Are you sure we will use his? Like for example, his like dancing. Is it correct?
that, thing.
Okay, again. So let's review each. Okay. So listen attentively. So when we have the subject your in the question, so what's your hobby? So we are talking about you. So we will answer it by I like. But if our subject is her, it's talking about a girl. So we will use she. And also, we will add letter S in the word like. So we will answer it like she likes. If our subject is his or the question is what's his, so we're talking about a boy. So we will use he. And same with the she, we will use likes with letter S. And lastly, so if the question is there, what's their hobby? So the subject that we will use is they, and same with the I. So we will use the original word like without S. Okay, so for this one, what's his hobby? Kevin?
Hmm.
What's his hobby?
He,
Uh,
he like,
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 like, like or
like,
likes?
likes, likes.
Very good. Very good. Don't forget to highlight the letter S when you are reading the word likes. Okay,
He
to
like dancing.
he likes. Again, likes.
Likes,
He
that's
likes dancing.
dancing.
Okay, next. What if our question, let me just go back. What if our question is what's your hobby?
Um,
What's your hobby? Your. We are talking about your.
yeah.
What do we mean by your? When we say your, it talks about you.
I
What sh-
like.
Very good.
I dancing.
Very good. I like dancing. Good job. Next, so let's have more examples. Okay, so by looking at this one, the subject is her. But what if we change it to his? What's his hobby?
Is
His? Do we use his when answering the question? No. Look at this guy, this one. You,
he
what's
likes playing tennis.
very good. He likes playing tennis. Good job. So again, if we are talking about his, we are talking about a boy. Next, how about if the subject is what's their hobby? What's their hobby?
There.
There? Yes, the subject is there. But how do we answer it in a sentence? By looking at this one, look at this one. This will be your guide.
They like playing tennis.
Very good. They like playing tennis. But what if we change it to your? What's your hobby? How do we answer the question if it's changed into your?
Nice. I like playing tennis.
Very good. Good job. Next, how about this one? So let's have another examples until you master each. Okay, next, this one. So if we change this to your, how do you answer this question? What's your hobby?
Um, I like
Mm-hmm.
reading books.
Very good. I like reading books. How about if the subject is let me have her. What's her hobby?
So
Hmm? Shall we use her?
so she likes reading books.
Okay, shall we answer like this? She like, or shall we add letter S?
It's that he likes reading books.
Okay, very good. She likes reading books. So remember again, Kevin. So we don't use her, his, your, and their to answer the question because in each subject, so this would be just our guide to know if the subject is a boy, a girl, if the subject are many people, or if the subject is about you. So again, if we talk about your, it talks about I like. Her, it talks about she likes. His, he talks about he likes. And lastly, there, it talks about they like. Okay, so we will not use her. Her likes reading books because it will be incorrect. Especially when you are studying grammar, it will be incorrect. Okay, one more time. How about if our subject is there? What's their hobby? How do we answer it?
They like reading
Very good.
books.
Very good. Good job. They like reading books. Okay. Next, let's have another example here. Okay. This one. So if the subject is she or her, so the question is, what's her hobby? So that will be the answer. What's her hobby?
She likes playing the guitar.
Is it like or likes?
Likes.
Very
She
good. Don't
likes
Mhm.
playing the guitar.
Very good. So don't forget to highlight when you are reading the word likes with S, you highlight the word or letter S. Okay, so she likes. Very good. So she likes playing the guitar. How about if the subject is um they are there? What's their hobby?
They like playing the guitar.
Very good. If the subject is his, what's his hobby?
He likes
Very
playing
good.
the guitar.
Okay, very good. So that is how you read likes with letter S. And lastly, to check if you really grasp how you answer this question, let's have a last sentence. Okay, what's her hobby?
He likes
Mhm. She likes.
surfing.
Very good. What's their hobby?
They like surfing.
Okay, very good. So shall we add letter S? They likes or they
Surfing.
like? With letter S,
They
they
like
likes.
surfing.
Yes. Shall we add letter S with in the likes or just like? This one or this one? They likes surfing.
Surfing. Surfing.
Okay, when choosing the
They
like word.
like surfing.
Okay, very good. Without letter S. So they like surfing. So make sure. So since the letter after the word like is letter S, so make sure you don't mix it up. So you highlight the word like without S. They like surfing. So that you, or when, especially when you are writing or when you are reading it vocally, so the you won't be confused if the answer is likes or like. So you just need to read it clearly. Okay, last, what's her hobby?
Puppy.
Yes, what's her?
He likes she
He.
likes surfing.
Okay, one more time. Surfing.
Surfing.
Yes, very good. Again,
Yes.
what's her hobby? What's her hobby?
She likes shopping.
Very good. So good job. So I can see. So you fully understand how do we answer this question? What's his hobby? What's your hobby? What's her hobby? And what's their hobby? So make sure continuously review this sentence pattern because in your future study, so you can be able to use the sentence pattern. So again, so if the subject is your, if the question is what's your, we answer it by I like. The question is what's her, we answer it by she likes. What's his, we answer it by he likes. And last one is what's their, we answer it by they like. And depends on the picture that you are describing what are their hobbies. Okay, so very good. So that's it. So I think we finished lesson number 1. So we will proceed and move on to our lesson, unit 9, lesson number 2. So let me just open. Okay. Let me just share lesson number 2. Okay, this one. So for this one, it is the same as Unit 9. So we are still talking about my hobbies. So again, when we say my hobbies or hobbies, these are the things that we do that we enjoy in our free time. Okay. So just to review you, Kevin, what's your hobby or what's your favorite hobby, Kevin? What's your favorite hobby? Do you have a favorite hobby? Yes or no? Yes. What's your hobby? What's your favorite hobby?
Um,
Okay, so the question is what's your? How do we answer that? Based on your hobby. What's your hobby? You said before that you play basketball as your hobby. How do you answer it?
basketball.
Very good. I like playing basketball. Very good. So that's it. So if your other teachers ask you about what's your hobby, so you can answer it by I like playing basketball. So very good. So next, so since this is our newer lesson, lesson number 2. So this will talk about story and writing. So we will read a story, and for this one, we will practice your writing and listening skills. Okay, so we have here a video. So make sure to listen and to watch the video attentively. And after that, I will ask some questions about the video.
My
Okay.
phone.
Hello everybody, welcome to class today. Topic today is hobbies. Hoy vamos a hablar sobre los pasatiempos. Así que presta mucha atención. Pay attention a
Oh,
las imágenes, a
pay
todo, the
attention.
pronunciation, and repeat after to me.
Okay, repeat after
En este
teacher.
caso, chicos, vamos a ver aquí diferentes actividades, diferentes
What is
hobbies,
this?
pasatiempos. Ahora voy a pronunciarlo, tú lo vas a encontrar también su significado en español. Así
Es-
que
Why
practica
is
la
this in
pronunciación,
español?
practica conmigo y vamos. Let's start.
Let's start.
Playing baseball,
Playing
playing baseball.
baseball.
Drawing,
Drawing. Okay,
drawing.
let's repeat after. Okay,
Painting,
again. Let's repeat after the sound. Okay, so these are hobbies. So let's read after. Okay,
playing pronunciación.
okay,
Let's start.
again.
Playing baseball,
Playing
baseball.
baseball.
Drawing,
Drawing.
drawing.
Right.
Next.
Painting,
And
painting.
counting.
Very good.
Playing basketball,
Playing
playing
basketball.
basketball.
Playing basketball.
Playing ping pong, playing
Playing
ping
ping
pong.
pong.
Very good.
Playing volleyball,
Playing
Playing
volleyball.
Volleyball.
playing guitar,
Playing
guitar.
guitar.
Playing the piano.
Playing
Playing
the
the
piano.
piano.
¿Has notado que la palabra playing tiene dos significados?
Okay, let's skip
Ok,
the.
pero no es tocar musical. Cycling. or
Okay,
playing.
next hobby.
Cycling.
Cycling.
Do you like cycling?
Very
Oh,
good.
yes, I like
Do you like?
cycling. So, continue, cycling.
Okay, how about you, Kevin? Do you like cycling?
Yes.
Yes, very good. Next.
Fishing.
Fishing.
Very good.
Fishing.
Fishing.
Camping. ¿Te gusta acampar? Camping.
Camping.
Riding horse.
Riding
horse.
horses.
Hello, everybody.
Oh, that's the end of the. Oh, it's not. Okay, again, let's read this one. This one is riding horse.
Riding horse.
Horses.
Horse.
Okay, very good. Next.
Riding horse. Montar a
Riding-
caballo.
Cavalcade.
Singing. Oh, do you like
Singing.
singing? Oh, yes, I
Do you like singing, Kevin?
Yes.
Oh, yes. Okay.
do.
Next.
Singing. Dancing. Do you like dancing?
Dancing. Do you like dancing, Kevin? Do you like? No. No? You don't like dancing?
No.
You just like singing. Next.
Yes, I do. No,
Yes,
I don't.
don't. Oh, no,
Dancing.
I don't.
Listen to music. Do you
Listening
like
to music.
listening to music? Oh, yes, I do.
Oh, yes.
Yes, I do.
Ahora vamos
Okay, so when we are asked the question, do you like? Do you like for example, do you like singing? So if your answer is yes, so we answer it by yes, I do. But if your answer is no, we say it as no, I don't. Okay, so one more time, this one. Let's go back to this hobby. Okay, so do you like listening to music, Kevin?
Mm, no. And yes.
Yes. How do we
Basketball.
basketball? Yes, very good. But for listening to music, how do we answer it? If the answer is yes, we will answer yes, I do. If the answer is no, we answer no, I don't.
Basketball.
Huh?
Basketball.
Basketball?
Basketball.
Basketball?
No.
What do you say?
The song.
Ah, the song. You like listening to the song.
Yes.
Ah, that is the name of the song.
Yes.
Ah, okay. Is it in Vietnam? Vietnamese song?
Is Basketball. Yes.
But Canoy, Vietnam. Yeah, it's a Vietnam song. Oh. I don't know that song, but I think it's a good song because it's your favorite song. Is that a pop song or rock song?
Box song.
A pop song.
Song.
Oh, that's very good. Okay. So next. So let's have a more hobbies, other hobbies that we haven't yet learned. So let's listen.
I do. Ahora vamos a hablar un poco sobre lo que nos gusta, cómo lo podemos decir como persona que es I like playing baseball. Me gusta.
I like playing baseball. Do you like playing baseball, Kevin?
Yes. No, I don't.
Ah, no, I don't. Okay. How about basketball? Do you like playing basketball?
Mm.
Yes, I do. Very good. So next hobby,
Si tu pasatiempo siguiente es skating, que es patinar.
skating. Okay, what hobby is this, Kevin? Do you know what are they doing? This one is what we call as skating. Do you have a skate or roller skate? Do you have a roller skate? Yes.
Yes.
Do you like skating?
Yes.
Yes, I.
Two.
Very good. Yes, I do. So that is how you answer the question. Do you like? Okay. Next, let's have.
I like. My favorite hobby is para algunos es
Okay, next. What hobby is this, Kevin? What hobby is this? Sleep or sleeping? Do you like sleeping?
Yes.
Yes, I. Yes, I do. Same. I also like sleeping. My favorite hobby is sleeping. Okay, next.
dormir, like sleeping. Es decir, ahora pues
Oh, this one. What hobby is this, Kevin?
My favorite is hobby is watching TV.
Very good. So this is watching TV. Do you like watching TV? Do you like watching TV?
Um, 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 um,
Yes or no?
no.
Very good. So yes, I do. What do you watch? Do you watch cartoons or do you watch Doraemon?
It
It's a
Mangri Luffy.
oh, is that also Vietnamese
No.
TV
Eat,
show?
eat One Piece.
One Piece. This One Piece.
One Piece. Yes.
Like the anime? Really? You like that one?
You like it? Never.
This one, let me show you. This one? Do you watch this?
Oh, yes.
Oh, wow. So you like animes. Wow. This one's a good TV show. Japanese TV show. That's so nice. I also watched that before. That's so nice. So this hobby is what we call as watching TV. Okay, next. Let's take a look at our next hobby. Okay, this one. What hobby are they doing, Kevin?
Um,
Hmm,
eat my favorite hobby is playing soccer and football.
Very, very good. So we can call this one as soccer or football. Now, do you like football or do you like soccer, Kevin? Do you like soccer?
Yes. I do too.
Okay, very good. Yes, I do. Next. Okay, that is the last hobby. So those are the hobbies that most people or most children do. So like for example, watching TV, playing guitar, playing baseball, drawing, ping pong, volleyball, guitar. So we have many hobbies, and we have our own favorite hobbies that we do, like you. So you like to play basketball. So teacher likes to sleep. My favorite hobby is sleeping. Okay,
Hello, everybody.
so those
Hello,
are
everybody.
hello everybody. Those are our hobbies. So now let's have our next activity. So this activity is listening and reading. And after that, we will read it by ourselves, or we will act. Okay, so let's listen to the story that we have.
Get Ready for Starters by Patrina Cliff. Published and copyright Oxford University Press 2013. CD 2. Listening 32. Listen and read. Then act. 1,
You've got lots of hobbies. Do you like singing?
Yes, I love it.
Me too.
2,
And you like playing the guitar?
Yes, I love playing the guitar.
So do I.
3,
And do you enjoy fishing too?
Yes, I go fishing with my dad.
So do I.
4,
What's your favourite hobby, Sam?
I like playing football.
Oh, I don't.
Okay, so that's it for our story. So now let's read the story that we have, starting for this one. So let's read. You've got Let's read. You've got
You can
lots of
loves us
hobbies.
hungry.
Okay, one more time. Hobbies.
Hungry.
Okay, one more time. Hobbies.
Happy.
Very good, very good. Again, you've got lots of
Do you listen?
okay. Okay, very good. Do you like singing? So let's start it with the first sentence. You've got Let's start. You've got
You girls
lots of
love us happy. Oh,
very
you like singing. Sing.
very singing.
Sing.
Okay, one more time. Singing.
C.
Very good, very good. So don't forget the ing or ing word or sound at the end. Next, yes,
Yeah.
I love it.
I love it.
Me too.
Me too.
Okay, next. And
And do like play the
playing.
guitar.
Okay, one more time. Let's read this word. Let's say playing. Don't forget the ing. So we will add it to our pronunciation, which is playing. Very good. The
Rita.
guitar. Very good. Next. Yes,
Yeah. I love.
I love.
I love
Yes,
playing the guitar.
very good.
How about I?
Let's say, so do I. So do I.
How do I?
Next. And
Don't
and do you
thinking.
enjoy? How do you read this word? This one. Let's say enjoy.
Enjoy.
Next is fishing, not fishing.
Fishing.
Fishing. Not pit.
Fishing.
Again, not pitching. Fishing.
Fishing.
Very good. So let's read it from the start. And do you? And do you
Enjoy.
enjoy?
Enjoy. Fishing. Too.
Very good. Next, yes.
I do. Okay, go.
I go.
I go. Fishing.
Very good.
Luis. My ta.
Very good. Next is
E.
okay, one more time. Let's say I, not so do e. So do I.
So do I.
Very good. So do I. Next. What's your
Number 8. Number 8.
what's your
What's
favorite
your favorite hobby?
hobby?
Sun.
I like.
I love playing football.
Okay, one more time. Let's say football.
Football. Football.
Very good. Football. Oh,
No, I don't.
I don't. Very good. So that is for our story. So basically the story is about the two children. They are talking about their hobbies. So now let's take a look at the first. So the first scenario here. So the boy asked the girl, "So, do you like singing?" And the girl said, "Yes, I love it." The boy said he also liked singing too. Okay. Now, based on the first picture, or based on the first part of the story, Kevin, do they like or do they both like singing? Do they both like singing? Yes or no? Hmm.
Yes.
Yes. How do we answer it? So our subject is they. So we will say, yes, they do. Very good. So yes, they do. Next, let's go to the next part or the second part of the story. So next, this boy, he saw a guitar in the room of the girl. And he said, "And you like playing the guitar?" The girl said, "Yes, I love playing the guitar." The boy said he also loved and liked playing the guitar. Now, teacher has a question. Do they both like playing the guitar? Yes or no?
Yeah,
Yes, they.
like
Yes,
do.
they do. Very good. So, okay, so I think so this will be the end of our lesson. So, Kevin, so since we do not have much time, but for this one, we will continue this lesson next Wednesday. So, make sure to review this story about our hobbies because we will learn some words
Yeah,
connected. Yes, so thank you so much for your time, Kevin, and see you again on Wednesday. Goodbye.
goodbye, teacher.